Everyone wants to be a millionaire in their 20s, but the truth is most people are chasing the wrong path. Why? Because they still believe in money myths that sound true, but are secretly keeping them broke. So today on Elite Ranking, we're exposing the top 10 millionaire myths young people still believe in 2025. And trust me, number one will completely change how you think about wealth. Let's get started. Myth number 10. You need to be born rich to get rich. Cross-mark myth. Only rich kids with wealthy parents can become millionaires. White heavy checkmark truth. Over 70% of millionaires today are self-made. They didn't inherit wealth. Think about tech founders, YouTubers, freelancers, investors. Many started with nothing more than a laptop. In 2025, thanks to the internet, AI tools, and global opportunities, it's easier than ever to build from zero. Back-end index pointing right message. Wealth is about mindset plus action, not family background. Myth number 9. College degree equals millionaire job. Cross-mark myth. If I just graduate college, I'll automatically get a high-paying job and become rich. White heavy checkmark truth. In 2025, college alone doesn't guarantee wealth. Many grads are drowning in debt, while skills like coding, AI, and content creation pay way more. Example, a 22-year-old AI freelancer can make $100 per hour, while some graduates struggle to find $20 per hour jobs. The real millionaires invest in skills plus networks, not just diplomas. Backhand index pointing right message. Education is powerful, but self-education plus high-income skills are what create millionaires today. Myth number 8. Saving money alone makes you rich. Cross-mark myth. If I just save every penny, I'll eventually become a millionaire. White heavy checkmark truth. Saving is important, but it only protects money. It doesn't grow it. With inflation in 2025 eating away at bank savings, your $10,000 today will buy less in 5 years. Millionaires use investing, businesses, and assets to multiply money, not just hoard it. As Warren Buffett says, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you'll work until you die. Backhand index pointing right message. Don't just save, invest smartly. Myth number 7. High salary equals wealth. Cross-mark myth. If I land a 6-figure job, I'll be rich. White heavy checkmark truth. High income does not equal millionaire status. Many people making $150,000 a year are still living paycheck to paycheck because of high expenses, taxes, and lifestyle inflation. Real wealth is measured by net worth and financial freedom, not just your paycheck. Millionaires focus on assets, multiple income streams, and keeping expenses low while income grows. Backhand index pointing right message. It's not what you earn, it's what you keep and invest. Myth number 6. Investing is too risky for young people. Cross-mark myth. I'll wait until I'm older to start investing. It's too risky in my 20s. White heavy checkmark truth. The biggest risk is waiting. Time is your strongest advantage in wealth building. A 22-year-old who invests just $500 a month could retire a millionaire by 40, thanks to compounding. Starting late means you miss out on exponential growth. Risk isn't eliminated by waiting. It's reduced by learning and starting small. Backhand index pointing right message. The earlier you start investing, the less risky it becomes. Myth number 5. You need to wait until you're older to succeed. Cross-mark myth. Millionaires are always older with decades of experience. White heavy checkmark truth. In 2025, young entrepreneurs and creators are building million-dollar businesses in their teens and 20s. Example, influencers, YouTubers, and AI entrepreneurs are hitting 6 and 7 figures before 25. With online access, there are no gatekeepers. Your age doesn't matter, your value does. Every year you delay is another year You could have been compounding money, skills, and connections. Back-end index pointing right message. Your 20s are the best time to take risks, learn, and build wealth. Myth number 4. Millionaires don't fail or take risks. Cross-mark myth. Rich people have a perfect plan and never fail. White heavy checkmark truth. Most millionaires failed multiple times before success. Failure is part of the process. It teaches lessons that no book can. What separates millionaires from others is their ability to learn, adapt, and keep going. Risk is not avoided. It's managed intelligently. Back-end index pointing right message. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's the path to success. Myth number 3. Passive income means doing nothing. Cross-mark myth. Passive income is easy money while you sleep. White heavy checkmark truth. Passive income streams, real estate, YouTube, online businesses, investments, take years of active work first. The millionaire reality. You work hard up front to build systems, then enjoy automation later. People confuse passive with effortless. In reality, it's front-loaded effort for long-term payoff. Backhand index pointing right message. Passive income is freedom, but you have to build the machine first. Myth number 2. Money alone equals happiness. Cross-mark myth. Once I'm a millionaire, I'll automatically be happy. White heavy checkmark truth. Money brings comfort, freedom, and opportunities, but not guaranteed happiness. Millionaires who lack purpose often feel empty. The happiest, wealthy people combine money with health, relationships, and meaningful goals. Backhand index pointing right message. Money is a tool, not the destination. Myth number 1. Becoming a millionaire is impossible in your 20s. Cross-mark myth. Millionaires are rare and it's impossible for me. White heavy checkmark truth. More young millionaires exist in 2025 than ever before. With digital businesses, investing, and content creation, it's more achievable than in past generations. The only real barrier is believing it can't happen. Backhand index pointing right message. If someone your age is already doing it, why not you? And there you have it. The top 10 millionaire myths young people still believe in 2025. Now, let me ask you, backhand index pointing right, which myth did you used to believe? Comment below. I'll be replying to as many as I can. If you found value in this video, hit that like button, subscribe to Elite Ranking, and turn on the bell for more videos on money, lifestyle, and success. Thanks for watching, and remember, the only real myth is thinking it's impossible.